Welcome back, guys, on Tech Solutions official YouTube channel. I am Karabali. I create purely educational and informative videos for you. And today I show you this. This is Hytera TC-580 uh, analog professional two-way radio, and I show you how you can manually program this radio. And look at this. This is an antenna, and here you can see this is the on-off plus volume switch here, and the reversible display. Very special in this radio. This is reversible display and the full numeric keypad here, and you can store up to 256 channels and 32 zones, and this is a very good radio. And I show you now you can how you can manually program this radio without using any computer or laptop or programming cable. Let's start the video, and now join the lab. Welcome back, guys, in the lab. At first, plug in the battery, follow these steps. Before starting the video, please subscribe our YouTube channel, like, share, comment, and must press the bell icon to watch more technical and informative videos in the future. Now you can also follow us on LinkedIn, Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok. This is PTT switch, and these two function switches. This one and this one. Both switches press and hold. Look at this. Press and hold, and rotate this volume switch to turn on the radio and enter into programming mode. Look at this. Now you can see on the display manual program. Press OK to enter in this mode. At first, there are two menus. Look at this: channel set and zone set. You can set, there are up to 32 zones. Okay, now you can see. Look at this. Zone 1, press OK. Now you can add channels in the zone 1. Now again back. Here you can up and down, you can toggle in the menu. Look at this. Press OK to set the channel 1. Now you can program up to 250 channels. Again press. Now you can, here are 6 menus. Look at this. At first, RX frequency you can set. Look at this. This is the RX frequency, and next this is the TX frequency, and next RX, CTCSS, and DCS codes if required. You can enter from here. Look at this. The next one, this is TX, CTCSS, and DCS codes. You can enter from here. And the next one is options, option items, channel spacing, mostly band, wide or narrow band, channel spacing. Now the next one is power level. Press OK button to enter the menu. High and low, you can choose anyone according to your requirement, and you can move in the menu up and down button. You can use up and down button to move in the menu. Press OK again. Now the next menu is whisper, disable or enable. You can anyone choose according to your requirements. Again press OK. The next one is compounder, disable or enable. Anyone? Okay. Now the fifth one is scrambler. Disable now. You can enable and disable from here and press OK button. Now move to the next menu or go to the back menu. Press C to the back menu, and again From up and down buttons, move to the next menu. This is alias. Again, I show you how to program the frequency. Look at this RX at first, channel back, channel 1. Now you can set channel 2, channel 3, channel 4 from these up and down buttons. Now I am going to show you how you can set channel number 3. Look at this 0, okay, frequency 145 megahertz, and the next one TX 145.00. The TX frequency, this is RX frequency, and this is TX frequency, and the next one is RX, TX, CTCSS, and DCS. If you want to enter CTCSS normal, look at this. Anyone you can choose. No. Now I am going back from this menu and RxTX set. Again, press this OK button. Now alias, now back from this button. Now to save the all programming, just switch off the radio, rotate this volume and on off switch to switch off the radio, and again rotate this volume and on off switch to switch on the radio. Now these are normal functions. Look at this zone, all zone, zone 1. This is call list, alias 1, 2. So this is the video of today. If you like our video, please subscribe our YouTube channel, like, share, comment, and must press the bell icon to watch more technical and informative videos in the future. Keep watching our channel till next. Allah Hafiz.